Welcome to the world of software engineering, where creativity meets technology. Software engineers are the architects of the digital age, crafting the code that powers our modern world. Software engineers are the masterminds behind software systems, designing, developing, testing, and maintaining them. They work across various platforms, from mobile apps to cloud systems, balancing creativity with technical precision. Software engineering offers diverse roles, including front-end and back-end development, full-stack development, mobile app creation, embedded systems engineering, and game development. Each role combines unique skills to build innovative solutions. Software engineers analyze user requirements, design software architecture, write efficient code, test applications, collaborate with teams, and maintain documentation. Their responsibilities ensure the seamless operation of software systems. Mastering technical skills is crucial for software engineers. They work with languages like Python and Java, frameworks like React and Angular, databases like SQL and NoSQL, and cloud platforms like AWS and Azure, ensuring robust software solutions. Beyond technical prowess, software engineers need soft skills like problem-solving, teamwork, communication, adaptability, and attention to detail. These skills enable them to navigate complex projects and deliver high-quality code. Software engineers utilize various tools and environments, including code editors like VS Code, project management tools like Jira, CI/CD tools like Jenkins, and containerization platforms like Docker to streamline their workflow. The salary potential for software engineers is promising, with entry-level positions offering $75,000 to $95,000 annually, and senior roles reaching up to $160,000. Specialized roles in top tech companies can earn even more, reflecting the high demand for skilled engineers. Software engineers have multiple career growth paths, from advancing to senior or principal engineer roles to branching into management or technical architecture. They can also specialize in areas like AI, cloud computing, or start their own ventures. Aspiring software engineers should start by learning programming fundamentals, understanding data structures, building real-world projects, sharing work on GitHub, practicing coding challenges, and joining developer communities to gain valuable experience. Software engineers face challenges like keeping up with evolving technologies, navigating complex systems, managing tight deadlines, debugging issues, and balancing technical debt with feature delivery. These challenges require resilience and adaptability. Software engineering is a high-demand, rewarding career offering excellent salaries and global opportunities. Success depends on continuous learning and practice, whether in startups, big tech, or freelance work. Software engineers are shaping the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey through software engineering. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech career guides. Comment below on what area of software engineering excites you the most.